Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Chevy Malibu oil. Begin by warming the engine briefly, then turn it off and let it sit for a few minutes to cool. Position your jack stands and safety blocks correctly so the car is stable. Remove the oil cap to ease draining, then slide the oil pan under the drain plug and prepare to loosen it carefully. Start by removing the oil drain plug using the correct socket, turning counterclockwise while keeping hands clear of hot oil. Allow all oil to drain until the flow slows to single drops, which can take several minutes. While it drains, inspect the plug and gasket and clean any debris from the area. This is an ideal time to prepare the new oil filter for installation and wipe the oil pan surface clean. Remove the old oil filter with a strap or cap wrench and be prepared for trapped oil to spill. Apply a thin film of fresh oil to the new filter gasket for a secure seal and hand-thread it until snug, plus a short extra turn. Replace the drain plug with its clean gasket, lower the vehicle, then add the specified amount of 5W30 oil through the fill port. Run the engine briefly and recheck the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.